Hello everyone, welcome back to Literate Studio. For today's video, we will be creating our very first BBA macro. It is a simple but useful macro perfect for beginners. So we will be using the record macro feature of Excel spreadsheet. No coding required. So for example, you want to create a user input form to update the employee data sheet. We have a formatted data entry form here and the employee data sheet. Now to start the record macro, first, we need to put sample data on our data entry form. After that, let's go to Developer tab and click Record Macro. Since this macro is to insert data, we can name it as Insert Data and click OK. Once the macro is running, it will now convert our every steps or task into Excel VBA code. So let's now select our data and then we will clean this data before pasting to our data sheet. Let's copy the data and we can paste this into another sheet. Then clean the data by removing extra columns in between our data. After that, we can now copy our cleaned data, then go to our data sheet. Now, to insert the data every time we run this macro, we need to insert it as a new row. So to do that, right-click on row number 2, just below the header, then select Insert Copied Cell. Now we just pasted our data. Then we can now go back to our data entry form and clear the data, so we can start another encoding. After that, we can now stop the macro recording. Next, we will create a button to trigger our recorded macro. To do that, we can use a shape to serve as our button. Create a shape, then put insert data on its text. Then after that, right-click on the shape, then assign macro. It will now show us the list of macros available, and that is the recorded macro we created. Just click on the recorded macro and click OK. Now we have a form and a button that will trigger our macro. So let's test our macro. For example, we have John, Lee, Mail, 20, and Admin. And then click the button. As we can see, it is now working. That's end our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share this video. And if you have any questions, just drop them at the comment section. See you on the next video, and until then, keep learning and stay literate.